Here I've got Lenovo S5 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to the battery, which is here. And now if you will click on battery saver, you will go to the power saving mode, and here you can activate it smoothly by tapping on the switcher. So this is it, you've just activated low power solution, which will improve battery life, and this battery saver will reduce your device's performance. Then you can switch it off the same way, simply by tapping. You can also schedule your low power solution, simply click on turn on automatically, and now you can pick either 5 or 15% of your battery. Let me pick 15. So from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. And that would be all. This is how you can save power in your device, how you can activate power saving mode. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.